Hello everyone, welcome to my session. This is Rajeshwar Reddy. In this session, we will learn about comparison of decimal number. Comparison of decimal numbers. In the whole numbers, we can say very easily which is smaller and which is bigger. Now coming to the decimal numbers. So it is also as the same way we have to observe the place values. Here in a decimal number we already know that we have whole number part and the decimal number part. First let us observe the whole number part. So by observing whole number part, whichever is smaller greater, we can say in case if the whole number part is not given, if they given decimal part, then we have to observe the decimal part like 10, 100, 1000, okay, which is a greater one, that we can say that as a greatest number compared to another, right? So see, few examples are given here. Let us observe. See here, whole number part, decimal part. Here also we have whole part and the decimal part. See the whole part here 38. So it is the whole part and it is the decimal part. Here also whole part and the decimal part. So first let us observe ones place in the whole parts. So ones, here ones. So what is the ones place here? 8. And what is the ones place here? 7. So clearly we can say that 8 is greater than the 7. So that 38.45 is greater than 37.45, isn't it? So 38. So ones place what is here? 8. Here ones place what do we have? 7. So which is greater? 8 is greater. So that 38.45 is greater than 37.45. See next example here, whole part, decimal part, whole part, decimal part. Let us compare now whole parts. So first whole part, what is here? 8. So here what? 8. So both the sides whole parts are equal. So here we cannot justify which is greater, which is smaller. So let us enter into the decimal part. So what is the decimal part first value? 10th position. What is the 10th position? 6. Here what is the 10th position? So say 6. Here also 6, there also 6. Both are equal. So let us go to the 100th place. So what is the 100th place? 7. What is the 100th place? 8. Yes, here we can say now which is greater. So here 8.67. Here 8.68. So compared to the 7, 8 is greater. So that now we can say 8.674 is smaller than 8.685, isn't it? Right. So which is greater? 8.685 is the greater. Now coming to the third one. Here whole part 1. Here also whole part 1. So both are equal. So here we cannot justify. Let us go to the decimal parts. So the 7 is in 10th place. Here 10th place what do we have? 0. So here 7 is in 10th place, 0 is 10th place. So which is greater? 7 is the greater. So 1.73 is greater than 1.07. And the final one more example, and 11 and 11. So whole part is equal. So coming to the decimal part, 10th 3, 10th 3, both are same. Here 100th 0, 100th 4. So which is greater? 4 is greater. So that 11.304 is less than 11.340. So in this way we can compare the decimal numbers, which is greater, which is smaller.